The three people on your screen are SAPS officers and they are missing. The National Commissioner of the SAPS, Fanny Masemola, is appealing with the public to help find these three missing cops. They include 2 females and 1 male, and it is 24-year-old Constable Cebekulu Linda, who is the male, and there's 30-year-old Constable Kiamogetswe Bais, who is female, and 20-year-old Constable Buipelo Senoge, who is also female. They were traveling in a white VW Polo sedan from Bloemfontein to their area of deployment in Limpopo when they went missing. Their last known location was at the engine garage near the Grasmere Toll Plaza on the N1 on Wednesday, 23 April. Their vehicle tracking device and cell phones have been off since the day of their death over the world. There's a full-scale search underway for these members who were off duty at the time of their disappearance. They did not make it to Limpopo. If you have any idea where these officers might be, please contact the police with that information.
On that score, we have put out a reward of 350,000 for any information on the whereabouts of our members and the whereabouts of those that might be behind the disappearance of our own members. Anyone who has solid or accurate information is advised to contact the investigating officer, who is the lead investigator in this case, Captain Manga, on 082 527 6099. You are reminded that anyone who shares information will remain anonymous, and of course we do not want any derailing or false